good little job.
I know. I was surprised to see you open. I just got home from. I was just leaving church. Okay.
I keep the battery cable off so it don't kill the battery.
Mm-hmm.
And that way I don't have to push it off.
There we go. It starts. Nothing is wrong.
Now this joint hard. I ain't even gonna hold you. Good, bro. This shit. Oh, what the fuck? Yo, this you?
Yeah.
Yo, you lying?
Nah.
We getting the trailer right now. I'm finna go to Atlanta, bro. Get a SRT Chrysler, bro.
Okay, how much you pay?
392. On my mama, that ain't bad. You said what?
What year?
2012.
Okay.
Yeah, it was
ain't bad.
last 6.4 they made in that year.
Yeah.
So we getting the trailer right now. Nah, for sure, bro. We gotta ride on my mama.
Appreciate
Nah, you hard, bro. You hard. He used to go to my school. I ain't even know this was him. What?
GT?
Yeah, I think. V6, V6. Abort. That big boy. And it's raining. We got a free car wash today and all. Like, it's crazy. SRT 8, you know what I'm saying? I will kick y'all. Just good. I killed dogs. I'm just playing. I was just playing. Here's the car right now. Like I said, it is a Copart vehicle. We gonna be building it over these next few months. Before December though, it's gonna be good, you know. Before December. But yeah, before December, this car will be done, wrapped, all that. Whole thing finished, 100%. Yeah, man, this is the car. Like I said, it is a Copart build. So it is a lot that we do gotta do with the car. Damn, playing too much. Stop. But yeah, man. I'm gonna probably keep these rims. More than likely, I'm gonna keep these rims. I already got Brembos. I do need a new door. Currently, we parting out. We looking at another Chrysler to part out. I probably don't need another door. It is cracked though. We just gotta figure out what's wrong. Good. I was gonna keep my back bumper off. I low-key like the look it give. Or fix the front end. The mechanic we bought it from bought the Hellcat hood. So like, I'm gonna probably just wrap it, carbon fiber maybe. Yeah. I ain't gonna tell y'all what color I'm doing. I was told, you know, not to expose too much. But we did peep. The dude before me was in a police chase. That's what happened. So, yeah, you can see they cut this off or whatever happened. But we gonna try to get a steel bracket, you know, put it right there so that front bumper can have actually great support. But yeah, the side fenders come in. Everything gonna be here Tuesday from the front end. Besides, you know, like the bumper, just so it's drivable. I'm gonna need a radiator support, you know what I'm saying? But it is a 6.4. This is not a 5.7. Please don't ever try me. You know, K&N, you know what I'm saying? We gonna clean all this up. But yeah, support is on the way. Radiator support. I got a new condenser on the way, radiator on the way. I got all that. Headlights, front bumper, side panels. All that is on the way, man. But yeah, like I said, this is a 6'4". So please, don't get it fucked up on my mama. We'll whoop your ass. 392, motherfucker. But yeah, man, that's the video. I do not know if I'm gonna make this one video, like this gonna be the first video, or if I'm gonna wait until I get the parts. I'm gonna wait until I get all the parts to like Tyson, stop. But yeah, I don't know if I'm I don't know, but we gonna see, man.
Got the bracket in, and all the bolts lined up. So that is some good news. Yeah. So we just cleaning up a few things before we kind of really get into the nitty gritty of the. That's what we did today. Put the light in, side panel, hood latch. Gotta get the trim to go on the side. Yeah, now we just waiting. And we go do the other side. And then bumper and all that come end of the week. So yeah, man, it's all coming together, man. So a major part in the build. Gonna put this missing fender that has been missing. Yeah, like, yeah. So, piece finally came in. It look kind of different. Yeah, that one. But we gonna make that shit work. So, yeah, let's get it to work, man. Boy. So, yeah, this side do look a little bit more far back. Maybe because it was, hold on. Maybe because it's like, it's strapped in. But no, that's not even the case. Oh, no, they equal. Maybe it's just the car not aligned or something. This car was in the wreck. It's the new one, it's the old one. I believe it's 4 bolts. It's this bolt. It's that bolt right there. Then you got that bolt. And that bolt right there. And then I believe these have clips in it. We gonna pop the clips and then these just come right out. Unscrew that. And then unscrew this. And we gonna take it out. Okay, so the bolts that fit on here are a 13 millimeter. That easy. Literally 6 bolts, bro. That shit is done with, bro.
You be YouTubing this shit?
Nah, this my first. It's gonna be my first video, nigga. I'm God, nigga. Stupid.
Low key look mean. I ain't even gonna cap. You coloring that too?
What?
The bumper.
I don't know, twin.
How much more you got left?
So I got this. Man, I still gotta buy like all the shit to put right there. And then just paint it.
And you done?
I'm done, nigga.
You getting the bumper or the back bumper?
Nah.
Nah, you gonna leave it?
What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna like paint all this shit. I'm gonna remove the wires.
Yeah, yeah.
And I'll go get some bigger pipes.
Yeah. Ooh, that shit is gonna look mean.
And then like all this shit gonna be gone, and it's just gonna be painted the color of the cars. So
Ooh, yeah, that shit gonna be
I
mean.
got some tinted taillights on there and shit.
SRT 8, y'all boys not having them. It's that old school scat pack.
Damn.
Yeah, that shit do look mean. That shit look like Batman, nigga.
Damn. We go see. Demon, yo, these headlights look scary as shit.
Now this nigga a demon. Now he got a demon. Now he demon boy. Now he
Nah, come look at it, bro. Look, bro, I'm not putting no back bumper on this, bro.
Yes, you are,
Bro, no, I'm not.
Yo, they're definitely pulling you over like that, bro. That's not cool, bro.
I'm not putting no
Bro,
back
that's
bumper
not cool, bro. That's not cool. I'm not
They gotta catch me, bro.
That's not cool, bro.
Are you not under, like, bro? They have to catch me, bro.
How does your mom feel about that?
Nah, today though, I ain't really record today, but we put the back headlights on. I cleaned up my back. We actually put the bumper on right this time. I know y'all seen it. Y'all seen me put it on, but we put it on right this time. I put some gold bolts in here instead, so the car could look meaner. You know what I'm saying? Fix the interior. What is he doing?
How they gonna feel when Lil D pop out the cut?
All right, bro. All right, bro. That's it. You're done.
The V12s are typically in the front engine cars.
Thanks, what you appreciate it. It's like 7:30 a.m. right now on a Monday. I don't know what's today. What's today? Monday? Yeah, it's like 7:30. We finna paint these calibers real quick and my exhaust. Then we gonna take these rims to Discount Tire. I got some Hellcat rims I just bought. We gonna go get them. Come to the house, pick them up. I'm gonna go to school. And yeah, we go drive it today, man. Basically. All right, let me start walking around. I'm finna get started on these brakes. I'll pick y'all up. Not now, like midway through. Calibers is painted. So what we finna do now? We finna go pick up these Hellcat wheels. And we also painted the exhaust. Painted the exhaust black, the flamethrower proof paint. So ain't nothing really gonna happen. But yeah, we finna go get Hellcat rims. I'll pick it up once we got it.
Of course, that piece you see peeling up is just protection.
Oh,
I ain't gonna lie, I can't wait to see my boy Darius and what spin a. We used to call him spin a Benz. He can't call him spin a Benz no more, bro. Spin a SRT, spin a Chrysler, spin a something.
Okay. I ain't get my money. Why you stunting on me? Hey, boy, let me tell y'all nigga, bro. This nigga been mad at me for a week, nigga.
Bro, I know.
Nigga, wait till I get...
that bitch in that car right there. That's why I'm mad.
Man, saw your ass, twin. This... Damn! Carbon fiber, okay. Nigga said get in. I might need a vet. I ain't need... Nigga dropping money. Hold on. Damn! Nah, this motherfucker. Hold on, what?
I'm not spinning till ain't nothing on my line. 46, that remember it ain't nothing got. 47, hop out the car and walk down, make sure that it's up before they pull up. Make sure you don't hit nothing.
Gas will be right
You
back.
finna leave me?
The gas station
You
right
finna leave me, bro?
Look at my shit.
Oh yeah. All right, bet. I'm gonna leave my.
We already shit here, bro. I'm telling you.
Oh.
Gas, I'll put it right there.
Damn. These niggas got. Niggas is not playing, bro. Niggas ain't doing no bullshit for real. Like, okay, y'all boys, we got a vet. We done caught a vet out in the wild. Yeah. Yo, this shit the truth. Put this window up. I don't know what it sound like. I don't know what it sound like with the window down. I don't even care. This video get 10 views, bruh. I ain't even go cap. As long as them 10 people like this video, bruh, that's all that matters. Look at this nigga. Why little Honda, they trying to get up? Hey, what they about this car? Like, if, bruh, this jump so loud, you get behind people, bruh, they automatically speed up. Cause it's like, they like, bruh, what is this behind me? Like, what is this behind me, bruh? And they speed up, bruh. Like, I'm talking about, bruh, I had a granny doing 85 with me, bruh. And I'm behind her. I'm talking about, I'm just playing on the gas, bruh. Oh God, I'm talking about, for real. Real spill. Are they off? Y'all know I don't know how to work this mud. We go catch up to that blue Honda. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all, this thing the truth. This thing the truth. This thing the truth. Telling y'all. Telling y'all. This nigga would go in the middle of the road. Like, I was finna go around him. He go in the middle of the road. I'm putting in manual for y'all.
Oh, this nigga lame. I'm finna fill my tank up, so I came up with something. I don't really be having gas. I ain't gonna lie. I'm broke. I don't know how I got this car, but I'm finna fill my tank up and I'm gonna record. Like, I'm gonna just drive, bruh. I left crib early. I work in like 3 hours. And yeah, we finna just make some shape. Told y'all, boy, this thing get serious. Yeah, I'm gonna go to BP because then I go down this road, hop straight on the highway. Side my gas tank on. Hey, do you say you love me like you do? Yes. Yes. Alright, so. Now we take 93. 55. We gonna put 55 in here. Let's see what 55 is. Should I turn the car up? Oh, shit. I'm gonna turn the car off. But yeah, boy, we put 55 in it. We gonna see what 55 do. If 55 do something. See what that shit do. You know what I'm saying? Yo, having this car, bro, all the old people be hating on you, like. You got America on the back. This a veteran, so he probably not on nothing. I ain't even no cap. I'm gonna roll the window down for y'all boys. I still got the sunroof open.